Hey, what's up everybody? It's that guy Skimpy. Today we're going to be doing another skirt build, and this time we're going to be doing it on Chatterbait. Alright, so let's get to it. Okay, so here is the Chatterbait. The color I did is black with blue flake. Oop, upside down. Black with blue flake here. And of course, it is Pro Tech, the best there is. Alright, so the two skirts I'm doing is, this is fine rubber. This is reptile rubber, black with blue. And the silicone is clear green crystal with black. And it's kind of hard to tell, but if you look on the other side, it looks a little bit different. And then it has like the crystals on this side. Together looks awesome. Alright, so let's start the process. So I'm going to be putting a skirt collar on it, and I'm going to use these skirt ring pliers here. So you just put the skirt collar on here, and then you spread it open, and then you can take this skirting material and you can just put it right through, and I'll show you how to do that. Alright, so I have the skirt collar here, and skirt collar pliers. So you just kind of put it on. Sorry, kind of hard to do on camera. So anyways, there it is. It just goes open like that. So we're gonna open it up. All right, and then I'm gonna take the skirting material, and then I'm gonna take the rubber, and I'm gonna kind of roll it around the silicone. Because when you're using the wire, you don't really want to have the wire touch the silicone, because if the wire touches the silicone, it can just cut the silicone. So I want to make sure it's on the rubber, and that's why I roll it. So then I'm going to put it right in here. So it's about halfway through. Take the skirt collar off. You want to make sure it's still rolled around in it. So as you can see, I have the skirt collar on. Now it's time to put it on here. Okay, so I have it on the Chatterbait now. So now it's time to take the wire. And the wire I'm going to be using is this right here. It is a 24 gauge. I'm going to take about 6 to 8 inches off. Cut it, and then that's what I'm going to use to wrap. Okay, so I have the wire. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap right around. Give it a couple wraps. Just like that. Okay, and I'm going to be using these safety twisting pliers. So I'm going to grab it. I just pull, and it just twists the wire. Get a different angle so you can kind of see how it's working. Sorry if that blade's in the way there. Okay, so when I pull it back, it twists these pliers. Just like that. Okay, as you can tell, it twisted, gets tight there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this off, and then I'm going to bend it back out of the way. Okay, so I cut off the excess here, the excess twist wire, and then I bent it back so it's not sharp on you there. And then so now it's time to cut the tabs. Okay, so to cut the tabs, all you do is pull on it. Let me get a different angle here. Okay, so all we're going to do is we're going to pull it and then slowly cut it. So pull it and slowly cut it. And this is for the rubber here. For the silicone, all you have to do is just hit the tabs. Okay, so let me... And then, like I said, with the silicone, you just cut it right at the tab. Alright. And then what I do is kind of get it all situated here. And then I cut it off even. Alright, so there it is. Such an awesome color for a chatterbait. So there it is, look at that thing. This just really makes it pop, having that clearish on there. So here are the eyes that I used. So I think it says 2.5 is the size. And I used the poison swingtail in the 3/8. This mold comes in a lot of different sizes, but yeah, that's the 3/8 right there. Alright guys, so there you have it. Here is the Chatterbait. It's an awesome color. I've used this a lot. You know, it has your black and blue, and it has your, I guess, white, but it's actually clear. But yeah, it has a, I don't know, kind of a crappie type look. But this is definitely a fish catcher. Alright guys, well thank you for watching. Hopefully you learned something. Hopefully you liked the video. Big shout out to Do It Molds. Big shout out to Living Rubber. And yeah, go ahead and pick you up these two colors and make this yourself. Alright guys, that guy Skimpy. Please subscribe.